This How to 1 Minute will show you how to redirect users to a random post in WordPress. Follow this easy and step-by-step guide to set up random post redirect. First of all, we want to install a plugin. Hover over on plugins and click on add new plugin. In the search plugins box, type here redirect URL to post and search for it. And this is the actual plugin we are going to use. So install this plugin and activate. And now you will get here this message. You can use these links anywhere in your post and pages, in menus or in buttons. You can even send them in newsletter. You could try the shortcode in a page or post. So here you will get a shortcode. Just copy this shortcode. Now I'm going to my post section and let's edit this post to add redirect to random post. Here I'm going to scrolling down and here I'm adding a new block and searching for shortcode. Add the shortcode block, paste the shortcode you just copied. Now let's update this post. And now let's view this post. And I'm in my post, scrolling down, and here we can see the random post URL has been added. If I click on it, I will jump into my random post section. And we can also add this random post option in our widget area. To do that, go to your WordPress dashboard. Hover over on appearance and click on widgets. And in my sidebar, I'm going to adding a new block and adding shortcode, pasting the shortcode here, update. And again, I'm going to my WordPress site. And here we can see the random post option has been added to my widget. This is how we can do it. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 Minute. See you in the next video.